You've been told stocks are risky, stocks are gambling, stocks are for rich people who already have money, so you stay away. You leave your money in a savings account and watch inflation eat it. Meanwhile, the people who already understand stocks, they're getting wealthier every single day while they sleep. This isn't a coincidence. This is the biggest wealth divide in modern history. And it's almost entirely about one thing: owning stocks or not owning them. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what a stock is, why the rich obsess over them, and how to start owning them yourself with as little as $5. So, what is a stock really? Most people think a stock is a number that goes up and down on a screen. It's not. A stock is a tiny piece of a real business. When you buy one share of Apple, you own a fraction of Apple, a real, legal piece. You're a shareholder, a part owner. Every iPhone they sell, every app you download, every dollar Apple earns, a tiny percentage of it belongs to you. You don't have to show up. You don't have to clock in. You own it forever until you sell. This is why the rich are obsessed, because stocks turn other people's work into your income. Let me say that again. Stocks turn other people's work into your income. When you own a share of Walmart, thousands of Walmart employees are clocking in tomorrow morning, and a tiny piece of their effort belongs to you forever. This is the secret. Not hard work, not hustle, ownership. But it gets better. Stocks have a hidden superpower called compounding. Here's how it works. Let's say you invest $1,000 in the stock market. The stock market historically returns about 10% per year. So after 1 year, you have $1,100. Easy math, right? But year 2, you don't just earn 10% on the original $1,000. You earn 10% on the new total, $1,210. Year 3, $1,331. Year 4, $1,464. After 30 years, that $1,000 turns into about $17,449 without you doing anything. That's compounding. And Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, for a reason. Now here's where it gets unfair. If you start investing $200 a month at age 25, by age 65, you'd have about $1.2 million from only saving $200 a month. But if you wait until age 40 to start, you'd have about $245,000. Same monthly investment, just 15 years later. The cost of waiting, almost $1 million. Time is the most valuable asset in stock investing. Not money, time. So why doesn't everyone do this? Because the system wants you to think it's complicated. They want you to feel like investing is for Wall Street guys, math wizards, people who watch CNBC. It's not. It hasn't been for over 20 years. Today you can open a brokerage account in 5 minutes and buy a fraction of any stock for $1. So, how do you actually start? There are 2 main strategies. Let me break them down. Strategy 1. Index funds. An index fund is a basket. It owns hundreds, sometimes thousands of stocks at once. When you buy one share of an S&P 500 index fund, you own a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all of them at once. The advantage? You don't have to pick winners. You own the whole market. And historically, the market goes up about 10% per year. Boring, predictable, powerful. This is what Warren Buffett tells his own family to do with his own money after he dies. Strategy 2. Individual stocks. This is when you research specific companies and buy their stock. Higher reward potential, higher risk, more work, and honestly, 80% of professionals can't even beat the index fund. So for most people, index funds are the answer. Set it, forget it, watch it grow. Now, the biggest mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1. Panicking when the market drops. The market drops every year, multiple times. It's normal. The people who panic and sell lock in the loss. The people who stay calm watch it recover. Every single time. Mistake 2. Trying to time the market. You can't. Nobody can. Not even the billionaires. Just buy regularly, no matter what the market is doing. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's the secret weapon. Mistake 3. Chasing hot stocks on social media. By the time you hear about a hot stock from your cousin, it's already gone up. You're buying the top. The rich already sold to you. Mistake 4. Not starting. This is the biggest one. Every year you wait, costs you tens of thousands of dollars in lost compounding. So, let me give you the simplest plan possible. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, Robinhood, all free. All take 5 minutes. Step 2. Buy an S&P 500 index fund, like VOO or FXAIX, with as little as $1. Step 3. Set up automatic deposits, even $50 a month, even $20. Just start. Step 4. Don't touch it. Don't check it daily. Don't panic when news happens. Just keep buying forever. That's it. That's the whole strategy that's built generational wealth for millions of people. The rich aren't smarter than you. They aren't luckier than you. They just understood that owning a piece of business beats trading your time every single time. If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down financial truth every week, the stuff school refused to teach you. And drop a comment below. What's the first stock or index fund you're going to buy this month? Thanks for watching, and remember, the rich don't make more money than you. They make their money make more money.